it's Bronwyn with Big Sky Diamond Painting, and I am here yet again with another unboxing slash unbagging, I guess you'd call it, since this is a bag. This is from AliExpress, and I cut open the bag, so I think we're just going to get right into it. Aha, these are some partials that I ordered from, I don't remember where, but I will put the name right here. Ooh, okay. So these are all 30 by 30. I don't have a measuring tape right here, but I think I see a ruler, so I'll just grab that. A ruler that only has inch hands. Well, I will not really, well, 30 by 30 is about 12 by 12, so I guess if they're 12 by 12, I can tell you they're true to size, and if they're not, then we'll know they're probably 25 by 25. So, let's see, I'll go here. Yeah, so that's about a little under 10 inches by a little under 10 inches, so I'm going to assume that these are 25 by 25, but not 100% sure. Anyway, these are some special drill partials that I got because I love these, and they're nice, quick little paintings that you can do. And plus they're like cheap, so for like a couple hours of fun and something really sparkly, I find them quite enjoyable. I'm just doing this to flatten it out a little bit. This one's got 9 colors. Comes with a kit, but your basic kit with a single placer, tiny wax, a few crazy lone baggies, although looks like all of these come in baggies, so did not really need to include those. So I guess that's a nice little extra. As I like to do with the special drills, we will just get in here and show them to you. They're in here really nicely though, like, really like how nicely they're in there. So, but we're going to dump them all out because that's me. I'll put all of these in a, ooh, we have a loose regular drill in there. Anyway, I'll put all these in like a Ziploc baggie for each project, probably. No, I suppose these won't fit in a gallon baggie, but anywho, let's see. So there's 3. There's 1. Wow, there's only 1 regular rhinestone. So 1 and 2 are both little, yeah, these I think are just, okay, so 1 looks like it's the little AB pearls. It doesn't look like it has the faceted edges like a regular drill. We got a hitchhiker in there. I see that a lot actually, where there will be just like a regular, for some reason, always white AB drill hanging out. And these are definitely little faceted AB drills. So those are nice, these little, the little green ones. So there's 1, 2, 3 is emerald colored rhinestones. 4 are these like sort of rainbowy black-ish ABs that are bigger. All right, 5 are these orange AB rhinestones. It looks like there's going to be a lot of those. Those are what, this symbol, so B, yeah, a lot of those. 6 are these little marquee green AB marquees. 7 little peridot colored, or peridot, depending on how you, whether you pronounce it like Steven Universe or not. Anyway, little light green ABs. I like that all of these have like AB coating on them. I say that and then I get to 8, which doesn't. It's just big green teardrops. And then these super fancy number 9s, teardrop shaped ones with little carvings in them that are definitely a little AB colored. So this, I think, is going to be super pretty. I don't know when I'll get to this one because I'm kind of haven't decided what order I'm going to do these in. Especially since this is the first time I'm seeing them. But they got here really fast. Like, I feel like I didn't order these that long ago. So I'm pretty stoked about it. So there's that one. Next one, I think this one might be a peacock. That one was just like a square. I don't know. Is it a mandala if it's square? I think it was advertised as a mandala, but like a tile with a radiated design. A radiation, like radial, not radiation, radial. Alright, this is another same exact size 30 by 30 that is probably more like a 25 by 25. Yep, just a little under 10 inches. I'll try to remember to measure things, but this is just a little peacock. These are going to be huge. Oh my gosh. Pretty excited about this one though. I think that's going to look good. I really like special drill peacocks. I think they turn out really good. And I am in general a fan. This one is packed differently than the other one. It doesn't have the little baggies. Same kit though, with just a few baggies, regular tray and pen. For these special ones, I've seen some people use the multi-placer to pick up the big gems, but what I like to do is I got one of those pens that has like the cone of sticky wax on it, but like that silhouette pen with the wax on the end and other things like that. But like the ones for nail art that have like the teeny drill pen on one side that's not really for drills, but like more for like nail art gems. Then on the other side, it's just like a cone of wax. I'll put a picture in here if you don't know what I'm talking about. But I use one of those because for the big ones, the whole thing is sticky, so I can just like pick it up and stick it on there. Because I was having to like overfill my pen and just like tap it real lightly to get everything on there. And you know, with like giant ones like this, you can really just use your fingers. But it's just a lot easier for me to use that. The downside is that you can't really shove things around with the big wax cone side of it, because it's soft because it's made from like sticky wax. I mean, it holds its shape at room temperature, but like if you try to push on something, it'll just smoosh it. So I just flip it around and use the metal side if I need to reposition something. All right, so again, 17 colors on this one. We have 8 colors of the regular size drills. Looks like we have this really pretty bright orange. Okay, we'll flip it over. This really pretty, like tangerine almost orange, gold, yellow. Got a pretty blue, a light blue, nice emerald green, kind of aqua teal or teal. This, I guess that's kind of a green, yellowy green. And then the little blue Aurora Borealis pearls. I love those. I love those pearls. I think I said in another video that I ordered a bunch of them just on their own because I love them so much. And I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but we're going to find out. So these are all numbered. So we've gone up to 8. Let's find 9. So 9 are these nice Aurora Borealis green little round ones. And then 10 are these little round orange ABs, rhinestones, AB rhinestones, not just solid ABs. 11 are these little red unfaceted rhinestones with a little bit of an AB sheen to them. I really like that most of these have like almost entirely ABs. All right, 12. Oh, there's 12. 12, those little blue ones that are not faceted. Looks like these don't have any AB coating on them. And then there's 13. Okay, so these are kind of like a green, bluey seaweed green, I'd say maybe. Like a little bit of blue-green AB marquees shape. 14. Looks like we got a round stowaway in there, but that's another marquise, just the clear AB. 15 is the teardrop orange pearly AB. I love these. They look so pretty. But they also, I mean, they look, well, these ones aren't too bad, but the last painting I had that had these in it was like, it felt like they were deadly. They were really pointy. All right, 16 are the smaller little peacock eye beads. These are kind of cool, but I have like, I don't know. Like, I think they're pretty, but I don't know if I like... Well, they end up looking really good on here, so I guess I do like them. And then these are the really big ones, number 17. That'll go right here. So I think this one is going to be super cute. I am stoked about this one. And these, I don't know, I mean, I like these because they're smaller. They go fast. But the thing that the problem I have is, like, I like them so much I want to keep them, but I don't have anywhere to put them. So it's like, oh no, what do I do? Alright, so, let me test the sticky on here. Oh yeah, the sticky's pretty good. And doesn't feel like there's too much sticky outside of where it's supposed to be. So that's a good sign as well. Alright, let's get into our last one. Again, same exact size. In fact, I think all of these were on the same listing. And again, they were like $3 something each, I think. Probably if you get them during the sale, it's going to be like even cheaper. But ho 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 ho. Alright, let's try to flatten it a little bit. I'm probably going to iron these because the last ones I got that were wrinkled like this, even after I, you know, flattened it out and did the whole thing and then put the drills on there, like, you know, this on a regular canvas, it's not really creased, so I think it would flatten itself mostly, but on a special, it's, you know, not so much. Alright, so this one's packed like the first one in all baggies. There are 7 colors on this one. Same kit as the other two. Basic pen, little tiny square of wax, like 3 baggies and the basic tray. Pardon the crinkle. Okay. So color 1 looks to be, has a straggler, a little hitchhiker. Don't tell anyone. Okay, so you can see just white ABs, just regular white AB drills. 2 is the just regular green AB drills. I kind of like that color though, that's really nice. 3 is orange AB drills, and I'm not sure how I feel about these. They don't look like they're fully coated, but I'm sure it'll actually just look fine on there. 4 is the round faceted orange ABs, the bigger ones. 5 is the clear, bigger ABs. 6 are these slightly smaller, non-faceted AB pearls. These aren't as small as like the tiny AB pearls, and they're almost kind of translucent, but I don't think you'll be able to see through them on the painting. And then 7 is just clear rainbow marquees. So yeah, I think that these 3 paintings are going to be really, really nice to do. And I like that they're a little bit different than what I have seen lately, in that they're including like some Aurora Borealis normal drills rather than just rhinestones, because a lot of the special drills for the little rounds will just have Aurora Borealis. So I like that they've got that going for them. And, you know, like I said, I like this size. I think it works nice. And I will probably iron these. Again, information on how to buy these will be in the description. And I'll put the store name up here once more. You know, from AliExpress. This, I guess that's not too small for the size of the thing. I'm just, sometimes with these, like, there are certain types of things where, like, the medium-sized teardrops I'll find, especially, like, the symbol will be slightly bigger than the item, and that drives me crazy, but I think it shouldn't be too bad, I think, on this one. Anyway, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments or anything, leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to know when I upload a new video, please hit that bell. I will catch you guys on the flip side, and thank you for watching Big Sky Diamond Painting. Bye-bye.